Do you find it hard to get in and out of your bed? A bed rail may just be your best friend. In this video, I'm going to show you what a bed rail is, where to put it, and how to use it. I'm Dr. Sean, your PT guy, and our videos help you learn how to move better and stay independent so you can enjoy your life. Let's get started. Disclaimer! So what exactly is a bed rail? A bed rail essentially is a device that slides between your box spring and your mattress, and it has a handle on the top which helps you adjust yourself a little bit easier in the bed. It helps you get into the bed and pull yourself out of the bed. In addition, the rail itself can help block you if you're a roller in the bed, and if you're rolling out of the bed, it can help prevent you from falling. And it has a nice pocket, some of them. You can put your remote in, or a cell phone, or books like this one on preventing falls. And speaking of preventing falls, if you want a free home fall prevention guide, you can find that down in the links down below. And where do you even put one of these rails? Let's get into that next. So where do you put the bed rail? If you put the bed rail a little low in the bed, then when you sit down and get in the bed, you're going to have to work your way up into the bed towards the pillow higher when you get in. That's not very helpful for most people. So really you want to put the bed rail just below the pillow so that when you sit down on the bed, you're going to be able to use this and lay down, and it's not going to be in your way. And it's close to your chest when you're laying down. That's the key. Just try to keep the bed rail handle itself close to your chest when you're laying flat or on your side on the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bed rail in, but just so you know, before I do that, the bed rail itself telescopes, number one. These legs down here, they telescope up and down so that it goes to the height of your box spring. You want this part, this level part, to be at the top of the box spring. If it's too high, then you need to drop the legs down. If it's too low, then you need to bring it up. And then you do that with these little buttons right here. You push these buttons in and these legs go up and down. So once you know it's at the right height at the top of your box spring, this basically just slides in, and then you take these straps, and this is for extra support. And you can read this in the directions. But when you take these straps, this goes around the box spring and comes on back, and then it clips in with these clips right here, okay? These clips. So once it's all around, you bring it back and then you clip it together and it locks in place. So the bed rail is installed. It's between the mattress and the box spring. The strap goes all the way around for extra support, connected, clipped in together, and now it's at the right spot. It's just below the pillow, about 4 inches, 5 inches, somewhere around there. So it's just below the pillow. And now let's see how to use it. So how do you use the bed rail? It's nice and sturdy in position. I scooch on up. I can hold on to the bed rail as I'm coming down. Once I'm in, I can just roll over, okay? Now if I need to pull myself over, I can use this nice grab bar. I can pull with 2 hands. I can hold this and pull over, and it's firm. It's not going anywhere. And then if I want to sit up, I can push down from here to help myself up like this. Solid. So a bed rail may just be your best friend getting in and out of the bed if you're having difficulties. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button down below. And if you want more videos like this to help you learn how to move better and stay independent, click the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next video.